What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Rissa. Welcome back to my channel, guys. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? So today we have so K Cotton made this meal. I don't know. I'm gonna say maybe a weekish or so ago. Yeah, about a week or so ago. I can't even talk, y'all. Some salmon, some shrimp pasta, Alfredo pasta, and garlic bread. Okay. And it looked so good, and I just wanted to try it. I've never tried it before, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna try that. She was like, go ahead, girl. Diet Pepsi, Crystal Light. So let's get into this prayer so we can get into this bite. Okay. Just like that. Let's do this. Amen. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you for coming. I appreciate you so much. And if you are returning, thank you. Yeah, you know I love my ride or dies. So listen, y'all, I didn't have any fettuccine noodles, and I ain't feel like going out and get them out here. So I was like, girl, use some spaghetti noodles. So I'm sorry, that's what these is. They spaghetti noodles. I hope they taste the same. I'm gonna let y'all taste it. They should taste the same. Listen, this seafood is good. I'm like, Okay, I knew it was good. I really know. When Kay was eating it, I said, man, that mess look good. That looks good. And you know what? It's good. So, I made my Alfredo sauce with some whipping cream, some Parmesan cheese, and then I put some, regular Alfredo sauce out the can and out the jar, out the jar in there. And I'll let them just, put my seasonings in there. That's good child. Thank you, Kay. Girl. So, I'm going to put seafood pasta and baked salmon created by K Cotton on my tag. I mean, I guess inspired by K Cotton. That's my sis. Y'all need to go over there and check her out. So my shout out channel. Miss MS Mayweather's. That's my channel, my shout out channel today. I don't know why I did that before I got my piece of fish. Okay. You quite do it just like that though. Well, You got to do the, you know, the noodles, the shrimp, and a piece of fish on now. Mmm. Mmm. I only made one piece of fish because I was like, well, if you don't like it, Rissa. You know you was the watching. Okay. Not baby. Now you get that long one from BJ's. Oh, I got mine from Costco. So, I'm trying to look. Try please. They better get their life. Perfect bite. Boom. Y'all should try this. It's so good. It is so freaking good. You see how look at the fish. Look how it breaks up. It's in layers. That mess just. I love salmon anyways. You know what? I never ate salmon until about 2 years ago. Nope, never ate it until about 2 years ago when I started watching YouTube. I don't forget who channel I was watching. And they had salmon. I was like, oh my God, that looks so good. It's pink. I want to try that. Wow. So good, Jesus. So good. I don't even know. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this meal, y'all. Yeah, I'm more than welcome to go get some and cook it, but rest of it enjoy the rest of it. You don't believe this meal is God. Look at the skin. Skin crispy too. I had to clean the shells off, the scales. But I think some of that still had a little scales on it, so that's why I ain't really eat the skin. I didn't know it still had the skin on it. I mean the scales. The last time I had ate salmon, I didn't know it had scales on it. I thought that, you know, by being in public, they had scaled that crap. I ate the scales and all. I ain't lying, y'all. Y'all, it was good. I ain't know no different. This is the kind of meal right here. You know how you full when you get full? I ain't full yet, but I'm saying When you get full, you don't want to stop eating that. Mm. I'm putting this video out tomorrow. Let y'all know how good this is. Over the weekend, y'all know I ain't recording no videos. I think I recorded one video over the whole weekend, guys. But I already have a bunch of videos, so I was like, I need to slow down. I did my fish different than Kay did hers. Because it was only that one piece. So what I ended up doing, I put a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of butter in a pan on top of the stove. I let the skin side get brown first. And I let the other side get a little brown, crispy. And I popped it in the oven to let it continue to cook. Excuse me. And I'm going to tell y'all the seasonings on that fish is phenomenal. Like, I outdid myself. Like, seriously. Ooh, excuse me. I'm not trying to toot my own horn. Excuse me. But the seasonings on this fish is so good. This is something definitely I can eat again. Ooh, full. So full. I want to stuff myself. I'm gonna get so fat now, okay? But you know what? That meal, it showed up and showed out, okay? That meal was good. That meal was good, good, good. Child. That was some good eating right there. I'll pat myself on the back. Oh, So thank you, Miss K Cotton, for, you know, inspiring this meal, because this meal was good, girl. MS Mayweather is my spotlight channel for tonight, my shout out channel. So y'all go check out MS Mayweather. She's a very nice person. She has some beautiful eyes, child. She does I can't talk. Mukbangs, and her son Seth, and I seen her other son. He has a channel, but he didn't want to say his channel name earlier when I was watching him. But anyways, y'all, go check out MS Mayweather. I know a lot of y'all probably know her, but she's a very nice person. She watches your whole video in full. She's not a monetized channel, but she's trying to get monetized, you know, just like the rest of y'all, like everybody was or is, you know. And you can play some of her videos. She would so appreciate it. Like I said, she's trying to get monetized. Go check her out. She's a very nice person, very nice lady. And she's gonna have after hours. I want to say that's what she said on her video, on her intro today when I was watching it. MS Mayweather's. Go check her out. Y'all stay blessed. Stay prayed up. Keep God first. Know that God loves you, and so do I. So do I. Y'all know what I'm gonna say. I'm so out.